The structure of chromosomes. The nucleus is where we find the chromosomes in the cell. The chromosomes are found inside of the nucleus. This is what a chromosome looks like. Each one of the chromosomes contains one double-stranded DNA molecule. This is the double-stranded DNA. It is wrapped around proteins called histones. The DNA and the histones are supercoiled so that they can fit into a small space, such as the nucleus. And even within this supercoil, the DNA is also coiled around the histones, so we have many levels of compaction. The DNA itself is a double helix. This is its geometrical shape. It is the double helix form. When we uncoil the DNA from this double helix form, it has this flattened shape that looks like a ladder. It is a ladder of two strands that are joined together. Genes are parts of the DNA that make up one protein. They code for a protein. So it's a set of DNA that has information, meaningful information in it, that can code for a protein. Another chromosome at the same place as this gene will contain a different DNA molecule, so it will contain a different gene. And altogether, these different genes will code for the proteins that make up the organism. That is why we say that DNA is the genetic code.